Good afternoon. I have a little project I thought I'd share this afternoon, and it is to make these fun little flowers. Recently I was doing a project, and I had these leftover baby wipes that have paint all over them. So they were really kind of pretty, and I didn't want to throw them out. And you know, baby wipes are kind of fabric. They could be used for collage or something like that. But I decided instead that I wanted to make some flowers with them. So I have been playing with making flowers. And I thought I'd come on today and just show you what I've been doing. So, which, by the way, it looks like I may have a camera problem, so I'm hoping these videos are good enough that you can tell what I'm doing. If not, please do comment and tell me you can't see things. I'm not happy, but it looks like I'm going to have to see about getting a new camera. Anyways, we're going to take this baby wipe, and we're going to make some squares out of it. So I'm going to make a couple of big squares first. And I'm just going to cut it. And I'm not being real careful. It's just roughly a square. And then I want a couple of little ones, so we're gonna cut a piece of this off. And like I said, I'm just coming close to a square. That's all that really matters. Now you could use fabric to do this, but I had the baby wipes, they don't fray. Okay, well, I'm going to show you on the big one first because it makes it a little simpler to see. We're going to fold it in half, and then we're sort of kind of find the middle. That's where my thumb is, and I'm going to fold it up, kind of like in a V. You see this V right here? Then I'm going to fold this other one until it matches the other side. If it doesn't quite do it, move it back a little bit. See? So that, kind of like you would fold a hanky for a pocket square. Then I usually turn it over just because it's easier for me to see. And we are going to cut what looks like a big ice cream cone. And I'm going to show you by drawing it on here. Hope you can see that. And then I'm going to cut it out. When you unfold it, you get a little flower shape. Now I'm going to do that to the little ones too. I'm just going to fold it. Move that out of the way so you can see. And like I said, I usually turn it over when I cut it, and I don't draw them all the time. I just cut a ice cream cone. You see the nice ice cream cone? Okay, so then when you unfold it, you get these cute little flowers. Okay? And then you're going to take a needle and thread. And, oh, where'd my spool of thread go? I'm just using a basic sewing machine thread. This happens to be 100% polyester, and it's made by Metler. It's Metrosine thread. It was just in my stash. But you want a good basic sewing thread, one that's strong. And a basic needle. Okay, So then what we're going to do is we're going to pinch this flower in the middle. We're just going to grab hold of the middle of it and squish it down so that we have pinched it right here in the middle. And then we're going to sew. And all I'm going to do is just do a few little stitches in the tip of the center. All we're doing is basically making the center pinched up just a tiny little bit. Remember, you may have paint or whatever else you cleaned up with your baby wipes on these baby wipes, so sometimes you're going to hit a spot that's hard to sew. And I don't worry about what my stitches look like because it's not going to show. So, and I'm going to tie a knot. Nor do I even worry about what color the thread is. This is just, basically it creates a shape. Okay. Now, when you open it, you have a nice kind of ruffled flower. So I'm going to do that again on the little one. Pinch it, pull it up. Now you're going to want to do this 5 or 6 times to 5 or 6 pieces. One baby wipe makes a real nice flower if you use big ones. If you make them all small, you can get a couple flowers out of it. And I know everybody's going to ask me, well, what are you going to do with these flowers? Well, they make cute little paper clips for your journals, or just embellishments to go in your journals. I'm sure that you could just embellish a page with them. Okay, we're going to just tie the knot in this one. And like I said, you're going to want 5 or 6 pieces. You know what I mean? I'll show you some of the differences. And if it's, you know, not right in the center, it's not a big deal. Just, okay. So now we have a bunch of little pieces of flowers. And I'm going to use some big pieces on this one and then some little pieces. This, just for information purposes, this is 4 little ones used together. This is 3 little ones used together. This is 2 big ones and I think 3 or 4 little ones. So now what I usually do is I take my bottom layer and I turn it upside down so that my ugly stitching is on the back side. And then I'm using Aleene's Jewelette, but it's only because I have it and it's one of those things I'm going to use up. I have some tacky glue that would have worked. Any kind of sticky glue. But I'm just going to stick down. And the next one I put down with the stitching down. I only put the bottom one with the stitching up just to hide it. Okay, so, and then I just keep building my flower. Oh, glue's not wanting to come out. Then you notice by using 2 different colors, you have a different look. If you had different kind of paint on your baby wipes, you'd have a different look too. Oops. Get together there now. A little more glue and my last piece. Okay. Now, you could use anything you'd like for a middle. But I happened to have been to the Dollar Tree the other day and I found, okay, this does not want to stand there. There we go. I found these really cute little jewels. The whole package was $1. So I got some little jewels to put in my flowers. A button, a bead, anything would work in there. And these little jewels are supposedly self-sticky. Now, I don't trust that for anything. I'm pretty sure that the sticky would probably come off, so I'm going to just glue it in there. There we go. Now you're just going to set it aside to dry, and you have another embellishment for your journals. The flowers can be made any size. Like I said, this one is way bigger. It just all depends on what you want it to look like, and but give some of these a try. I mean, granted, I nearly threw the baby wipes away because I wasn't going to use them for anything. They were trash. They were where I was cleaning up. But I saved them, and now I'm using them. So, now then, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave a comment. Let me know you were here. Please have fun, and if you like my videos, please do subscribe and click the little bell icon, and that will tell you that I've put up a new video, and we're going to have some fun. So, thank you very much. Bye.